This is Spielberg House by Stanza Living. Located in the Koramangala area, Spielberg House is one of a kind to say the least. Whether in a mood for shopping or eating out, Nexus Mall is just right across the road. Popular outlets like the Koramangala Social and Crawl Street are also in close proximity. Also, with Accenture offices at a short distance, never be late for work again. Come, let's show you around. Security check-ins were never this easy. With our app-based entry procedure and a 24/7 surveillance system, best believe that you're in safe hands. Now as you make an entrance, head on towards the dining area and TV lounge, a high-speed Wi-Fi zone for you to watch your favorite shows or movies while you treat yourself to some lip-smacking food, prepped up by the talented chefs in our FSSAI-approved kitchen. With an in-house pantry that's fully equipped, cook whatever you crave whenever you desire. Moving on, we take the elevator and make our way past the water station. And here you go. Your bedroom is spacious, suited to your taste and beautifully designed for your productivity and relaxation. It's sheer comfort with all amenities at your disposal. And an attached bathroom that's always kept fresh and comes with a 24/7 hot water supply. Need a good view? Grab a cup of coffee and head upstairs to the terrace. This place is bound to be a favorite for sure. We know we've convinced you, so come, live that stanza life. Spielberg House is waiting for you.